Hi, I'm Richard James Kolosowski and I'm a manufacturing shift team leader here at Valneva. I've been here for just over 13 years. I started as a technician in the manufacturing department, moved roles up to a supervisor in the manufacturing department, and now I'm a shift team leader over the manufacturing department. So the daily duties of a shift team leader is to meet with the supervisors at the start of the shift, make sure that all the activities that are happening in the clean room are getting done, have been resourced correctly, that if there's any issues to be resolved, they've been resolved, that the handovers that are happening between the shifts have happened, and to sit down with the supervisors and have a look at the next day of activities as well. We also like to look, a week to 4 weeks forwards as well to kind of plan for the activities that are coming up. We also look at little projects that are happening, see which supervisor needs to take those little projects on. We also work with the supervisors on training them in certain aspects of the job that they're training in. And we also do a lot of mentoring and coaching with supervisors and technicians as well. That's pretty much the job. So as a shift team leader, one of the things that I really like about my job is working with people, managing people, managing little projects, getting things done, coaching people, giving people soft skill advice, that side of things actually, sitting down with someone and showing them how to produce a schedule, or sitting down with someone and talking them through how to do a bit of training with people and that side of things is really exciting. It's a little bit different as well, something new each day. So working in vaccine manufacturing here at Valneva has changed significantly over the last year. We went from a small company to a medium-sized company, and we're now working at a scale that's very, very large, and it's exciting. Exciting to learn new technologies, learn different ways to produce vaccine, and to learn new processes and new skills. One of the big things that's really exciting is that the vaccine is actually going to help people in the end of the day, and we're making it. So one final thing I'd like to say is that working at Valneva is a great opportunity. It's great to get into vaccines if you've not been in vaccines before. If you're in vaccines, coming in, there's lots of career opportunities here, there's lots of progression, and the team in the manufacturing team is really, really good. We're a friendly lot, we get along, and we work very well together, and it's a great opportunity for people.